We've all been there. You're planning a major home improvement project and there's nowhere to store all your stuff. Your garage and yard turns into a cluttered mess. No, not again. Introducing JumpBox, the mobile storage solution where we deliver JumpBox right to your doorstep. JumpBox allows you to store or move at your own pace. Whether you're putting in new flooring or just want to be able to park your car in your garage again, JumpBox is the perfect solution. Once you've finished, we come right to your home and take the JumpBox away. It's that easy. We always pick up and deliver safely and securely because of our custom fleet of ART level load systems. JumpBox is locally owned right here in Washington by a family with decades of experience in storage and transportation. You never have to deal with an impersonal national brand again. Our customer service staff are right here in town. We know the ins and outs of delivering in your neighborhood. We do everything we can to make sure you have a great experience. It's our promise to you. All JumpBoxes have been manufactured within the last year. Each JumpBox is delivered clean and tidy and landed wherever you want to have the container available. We do all the work for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. JumpBox is also perfect for your next business or project or commercial move. Use it on any job site for holding extra materials, tools, or inventory. Everything is secure with our secure lock system. Reflooring your office? JumpBox is great. Now your team can keep control of where their items are at all times. JumpBox is perfect if you're moving offices. You and your team can load your JumpBox, and we can even deliver it to another location. JumpBox is also great for events, trade shows, and nonprofits. Order your JumpBox today and put the power of moving and storing back in your hands. Click www.jumpboxmove.com or call us directly at 855-633-7701.